Hello everyone, welcome to Cook with Al Essential. Today we are cooking egg sauce and boiled yam. Stay with me. On the table, we have our slices, fresh tomatoes, vegetables, onion, eggs. Now I'm adding the yam cubes to the boiling water. I have added the onion and fresh tomatoes, and now I'm going to let it simmer for like 5 minutes before I stir it again. Sauce. Let's add our colorful vegetables that will add beauty to the sauce. Our egg sauce is ready. Who is hungry? This is absolutely delicious. The flavors are just incredible. Thank you for staying with me. See you in the next edition.